South Sudan, a land of rich culture, resilience, and history. A nation born from years of struggle and the hope for peace and freedom. Yet today, that unity, the very foundation of its independence, face serious challenges. The people of South Sudan come from many tribes and traditional Dinka, Nuer, Murele, Bari, Zande, and others. They fought side by side for independence, believing that together they could build a stronger nation. But division, mistrust, and conflict have weakened that dream. When a nation turns against itself, it loses more than life. It loses direction. Children grow up in fear instead of education. Economies collapse, and the hope of progress slowly fades away. Unity is not just a slogan. It is the backbone of peace and development. When communities work together, schools reopen, farm produce more product, and hospital function. A united people can turn pain into progress. No single tribe can build a nation alone. No single leader can succeed without unity among the people. For South Sudan, unity means survival and a path to lasting peace. The world has seen many nations rise above conflict through dialogue and reconciliation. South Sudan has that same potential to heal, rebuild, and inspire. But it began with one simple choice: to stand together instead of apart. Peace cannot grow where unity is missing, and development cannot thrive without cooperation. South Sudan's unity is not just important, it is essential for its future. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. If you are new, please help the channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so you can be able to listen more like this topic that we just discussed. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.